Automated and efficient, the industry of the future.
Campus networks are providing the solution for the requirements of the Industry 4.0.
Based on mobile communications, Telekom offers a public and a private network for a local company site, a university, or a single building, regardless of its size. They are customized to the needs of our customers and meet the requirements of Industry 4.0, high bandwidth, low latencies, availabilities, and data security.
Production needs to become more efficient and much more flexible. Production cycles are shortening, and therefore you need different type of solutions. In this case, we offer a industry-grade solution, first on LTE and then on 5G.
First tests are already running. Together with OSRAM, transport robots are wirelessly connected in a real production environment in a specially created campus network.